Hi everybody, today I will present to you the method of extracting the gel from the aloe vera plant. For this I will use this small plant as an example. The first thing we do is to cut off a leaf from the stem of the plant. We always cut from the lower part of the plant. Like this. We clean it well. After cleaning, we start removing the side thorns. And the last step, we remove the outer layer. And like this, we have extracted the gel from the aloe vera plant. As you can see, the gel is transparent. For the taste, it's not sweet or spicy, it tastes neutral. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.